What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do an update on the miter saw station. So I've been doing like a drawer or two here and there when I have some time. So this week, one day I did the lower drawer, and in the original plans, I think Jay put his planer on that shelf, that bottom shelf, but I put my air compressor there because it's over there. I have a stand already for the planer, and it's heavy, so I don't want to have to lift it up. And my drawers are a little bit different. I think his were 4 1/8. My top drawer is 4 1/2. Because I got a little bit more room, and then I got to measure to see what the next one's going to be. But and this drawer I actually did a little bit different before. I did all the others with pocket holes. So this one I just did I put a dado in the front and both sides and slid a piece of 1/2 inch ply that I had in there, and then just cut the back piece of the drawer to the height of the top of the dado. Just want to do something different. I didn't use any glue at all on this one. I'm glad I didn't, because I made two mistakes. One, since I was kind of winging it and not going from his plans, I made the drawer a little bit too wide, so I had to trim it. And then I also had it oriented wrong. I had the back as the left side. Wasn't thinking straight. But with the front piece, or the front drawer front on it, you won't see it other than this video. So you see I have two more cabinet carcasses that are not finished. Still debating if I'm going to make doors for this large middle one here, and put my my bins on sliders, so I can open the doors up and then slide those from each side, and still have a bunch of storage where I can just throw stuff instead of drawers, because I have a lot of drawer space, although as everyone knows they're getting filled up quick, except for there. I have these two are empty, and then this one I have a lot of my screws, my Craig stuff in there. These big ones I thought, oh, they're huge. Never going to fill them up. Yeah. They're getting filled up quick. But I'm glad that they're there. I got a lot of stuff in there that's just fits. Most of my, got my sawzalls in there, my drill cases, my biscuit joiner. I think I got my oscillating saw in there. So it fills up quick, but I'm glad I built it. I'm learning a lot. I'm still got a ways to go, but just wanted to give a quick update. Also got a couple more Bessie clamps for my birthday. My brother got me. Oh, OCD's gonna kick in here. All right, that's better. He got me three 36-inch long clamps, Bessies, and I actually used them on this project, so I've only had them a week and they're already in use. But anyway, there's a little update on the shop, what it's looking now. I have underneath there, I have to extend the dust collection pipe down further, and I think I'm going to move my dust rate hose, which I have here, to the middle, because most of the time when I'm going to be cleaning up, it's the floor, the table. I think I want it to come out right where the trash can is, as opposed to over here, because I really have to stretch it out to get to that end of the shop. I don't really do that much around the table saw because it has its own dust collection. So it's a work in progress, but I'm getting there. It's a lot of fun, and when I'm done, who knows what's next. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.